IRS Form 8960 calculates the net investment income tax, a 3.8% surtax that applies to certain investment income when your modified adjusted gross income exceeds the threshold for your filing status. The thresholds are $200,000 for single filers and $250,000 for married filing jointly. Common types of net investment income include interest, dividends, capital gains, rental income, and passive business income. At the top of the form, enter your name and Social Security number as they appear on your Form 1040. If you are married filing jointly, use both names and the primary SSN. Part 1 is where you list your gross investment income by category. Line 1 is taxable interest. Line 2 is ordinary dividends. Line 3 is annuity distributions from non-qualified plans. Lines 4 and 5 are rental and royalty income and passive partnership income. Lines 6 through 9 cover other types of investment income. You subtract allowable investment expenses on line 9B to reach your net investment income. Part 2 compares your modified AGI to the threshold. The lesser of your net investment income, or the amount over the threshold, is the base on which the 3.8% tax is applied. Part 3 shows the actual tax, which is then carried to your Form 1040. If you receive investment income from multiple sources, gather all your 1099 INT, 1099 DIV, 1099-B, and Schedule K-1 forms before completing Form 8960. Your tax software usually completes this form automatically once you enter your investment income. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.